Good morning, students. As you know, forest is an important gift of nature. Nature has given us number of trees and plants, different types of trees and plants, species of trees and plants, which provide us with shelter, with building material, with food, with timber for furniture. Then we can make paper, we get rubber, we get different type of food products. It is also helpful because it gives us clean air for us to breathe. So it is a gift of nature and we should try to protect it. But instead what we are doing, we are cutting down the trees, we are turning the forested land into domestic or industrial area or maybe an agricultural land. So in this way the forest area, which should be more and more and should increase, it is decreasing, the area is decreasing day by day. So as we discussed that there are three things we discussed that to save the forest, that is when the deforested land should be again reforested, planting trees, planting more trees in an area which was not a forest like afforestation, but we should not do deforestation, isn't it? Now government has taken some steps. It has made that illegal deforestation means deforestation cannot be done. And it is illegal means it is not permissible by law. Of course, you will say that we cut down the trees. Yes, we cut down the trees for our different for meeting our different needs or satisfying our needs. Like we have to make paper, we have to even build furniture or build building materials are required. Yes, we cut, but that is only done by the government officials who are in charge of forest areas. The forest areas are the reserved areas, and they are reserved because they are under the protection, under the laws of the officials, government officials who take care of the forest area. We cannot go and cut down the trees. Okay, so this government has passed laws to stop illegal deforestation. We cannot go and cut down the trees, that is illegal, that is not permitted by law. But yes, those officials who need that, yes, these trees should be cut down because it is to satisfy the needs of the people. They cut down, and in that way they grow more and more trees, and they are protected areas. Okay. Then Van Mahotsav is celebrated at the beginning of the rainy season. Actually, it is in the month of August that they celebrate, and that is specially done. Of course, we should keep on planting trees and plants should be around us, but that especially in that season we plant trees, reminding us that yes, that is very important. Planting trees is very important, and trees are the life, the main source of our food, you can say, and even oxygen. Okay, so to encourage planting of trees, Van Mahotsav is celebrated, and in 1973, people of the Garhwal region is the Himalayan region of Uttarakhand. What happened there? Embraced the trees to stop from cutting them. Now, people, they had come to cut down the trees because they wanted to set up some industries and factories and make it into industrial area. And people over there, they actually hug the trees to stop from cutting down the trees, and that movement is called Chipko movement. I'll just show you a picture. Chipko movement, as you can understand that in 1973 they stopped from cutting, and each and every person in that village, they embraced the trees, and they said that you have to first kill us, then only you can cut down the trees. Trees are like our babies, and we are protecting it. Okay, so that was Chipko movement. In this way we should should also feel that we should not cut down any trees. We should protect, like a mother or a father protects their children. So similarly, those people in the villages, they protected their trees, and in this way those illegal cutting down was stopped. So these are some of the measures we can take, and moreover planting more and more trees can save our forest. Thank you, children.